So right now we'll be installing some LEDs on these lights. As you can see, look, I took that bulb out already. It's right here. See, it's a small bulb. So it goes the plug to the bulb. Well, this is the cap that goes behind the headlight. These are the wires that go behind it. Anyways, you can take these wires out. Let me show you how. So if you install some LEDs, you can run your wire from inside out and then plug in the power and ground. Let me show you. For example, look at this here. Just like this. Now, this is the cap. I'm gonna use this LED as an example. Put your wires in through right here, from inside going out. This is just in case you want to put this cap back in back of your headlight when you have the LED installed already. Some LED bulbs you cannot because they are too fat. So what you can do is heat it up and stretch it. Anyways, this is your power and ground. Put your bulb in the headlight, put the cap right behind it. On these LEDs you can because they're small. So yeah, if you wanted to, you can cut a circle around this thing here on the sides of your LED. We are taking off these LEDs because they're not bright, but we're going to install some that are super bright. Let me show you. These LEDs ain't too bright, so I'm gonna put some super bright ones. So look, these are the ones I'm installing. They have to be skinny from the tip, okay? So they can fit right there perfectly. So let's go behind the light. So if you order LEDs, do not order these right here. These are big. Okay, you need to order these on the left side because they're skinny from the tip and they're smaller. Look at it. See, the one on the right side is way bigger. The one on the left side is smaller. That's the one you need, so it can fit in there like this. Perfectly in there, perfect. See, mini design, okay? This is the power. This is the ground, the black, and the red one's the power. The baby blue is your power. So you can put the red with the baby blue. And then the black from the LED to this black wire here. You need to make sure you order some extremely bright LEDs for these headlights, like these here, so you can see good out of them. You have to make sure they're good LEDs. Here. Move that little hanger. Put your LED right in there. Just like that, you see it? Put this hanger over the LED. All right, now let's put the hanger over it. You just push it around that little pin right there. And that's it. They fit in there perfectly. You see it with your own eyes. Perfect fit, plug and play. Now I'm about to show you how bright these lights are. Watch this. That's extremely bright. All right, let's try it with my fog lights on. Here it goes. There you go.